Welcome to this video where you will learn about similarity searches using Chroma DB. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the purpose of the similarity search, describe the 5 types of similarity searches, and describe the essential similarity search processes when using Chroma DB. Similarity search exists as a fundamental operation in information retrieval and data analysis. The concept of similarity is context-dependent and can vary based on the data type and application domain. You can use similarity search to locate items in a dataset similar to a given reference or queried item. Next, let's compare 5 types of similarity searches. First, text document similarity searches compare documents to find semantic or syntactical similarities to a document or text snippet. These similarity searches use vector embeddings, including word and document embeddings, to compare the text that exists in the 2 documents and evaluate their similarity. Next, if you have image or video data, a likeness search can help you find images or videos similar to a certain image or video frame. The search compares features extracted from pictures or video frames, including color histograms and deep neural network embeddings, to find similar images or videos. Another type of similarity search is structured data similarity search. Structured data similarity searches examine artifacts like databases and tabular data. These searches locate rows or records that match a query based on the values of their attributes. This type of similarity search uses metrics specific to the data types to measure 2 data points similarity. For example, similarity search for numerical traits uses Euclidean distance, and the edit distance algorithm calculates the distance between the words. Next, you can use recommendation systems to search for movies, books, or items similar to the movies, books, or items a customer previously liked. You'll use the data that reports how the customer previously interacted with similar items to provide current suggestions. Finally, scientists use similarity searches in the genomics and bioinformatics domains to locate duplicate DNA, RNA, protein sequences, and other sequences. Next, explore the essential similarity search processes you'll use when running similarity searches using Chroma DB. First, review the function arguments. In this example, you'll see the collection listed. This argument expects a Chroma collection object containing your document data and embeddings. Next, examine the code's functions. For error handling, the function starts with a try-catch block to handle potential errors during the search. For search configuration, you can see that the line of code that reads const results equal await collection query performs the similarity search. Next, query texts coffee specifies the query text as coffee. Notice the period at the end of the word coffee. Next, you will see n:3. This code sets the n parameter to 3, indicating you want to retrieve the top 3 most similar documents to the query. When you see the collection name code commented out, know that this line of code was a mistake. A collection argument should specify the collection name. For output, review the console log similar documents results code, which logs the retrieved documents to the console. The results object contains information about the top 3 documents similar to coffee, including their IDs, distances, similarity scores, and potentially other metadata. Next, check out the code Perform Similarity Search Collection. This line of code, usually placed outside the function definition, is called the Perform Similarity Search function. The code passes the collection object, presumably created earlier, as an argument, triggering the search process. As for error handling, the try-catch block remains available to handle potential errors gracefully. In this video, you learn that similarity search, the fundamental operation in information retrieval and data analysis, is used to find items in a dataset similar to a given reference or queried item. Text documents, images and videos, structured data, recommendations, and genomics and bioinformation implement unique code for each type of similarity search. The function starts with a try-catch block to handle potential errors during the search and remains available to handle errors. The const results equal await collection query code performs the similarity search. And, for output, review the console log similar documents results code, which logs the retrieved documents to the console.